SCR's develops dry-type oil-free G-series air compressor, having TÜV German Technical Association's Class 0 oil-free certification. The German oil-free airend and built-in precision stainless steel motor improve efficiency by 2 to 3%. Rotor and compression chamber are coated with high temperature and corrosion-resistant supercoating. High-quality bearings and precision gears ensure a precise rotor fit. And dual sealing design ensures zero oil-free compressed air. Energy-saving motor boosts efficiency by 1 to 2%. NATO-level high precision. Heavy-duty air filter improve efficiency by an average of 1%. New efficient intake valve with better sealing and smaller intake pressure loss. Special pre-cooler design improves post-cooling efficiency by 2%. Independent enclosed cooling system having efficient centrifugal fan prevents high-temperature shutdowns. The independent temperature zoning design ensures stability and reliability. The unit has frequency converter and Siemens core control component for intelligent frequency conversion output, ensuring long-term stable and constant pressure air supply. Fully soundproof cover design reduces noise levels. An intelligent color touchscreen provides 12 key information and 13 comprehensive security protection measures. The RS485 communication interface and Industry 4.0 system allows multi-machine control and analysis of operational data for preventive maintenance. SCR provides truly zero oil, energy-saving dry oil-free screw air compressors.